In the modern workplace, especially in the age of remote, hybrid, and distributed teams, the ability to track time accurately and monitor productivity has become essential. Businesses are looking for smarter ways to manage their workforce, measure performance, and ensure accountability, all without micromanaging. That's where Hubstaff stands out. Hubstaff is a comprehensive time tracking and productivity management software built for teams of all sizes. Whether you run a tech startup, manage a remote team, or operate a field service company, Hubstaff provides real-time insights into how your team works. With tools for time tracking, activity monitoring, automated payroll, and project management integrations, Hubstaff gives manager and business owners the visibility and control they need to optimize operations. In this video, we'll explore the important features and benefits of Hubstaff and explain why it's a top-tier choice for boosting productivity, especially in remote and mobile-first environments. So for its key features and benefits, first is the effortless time tracking. Hubstaff offers easy-to-use time tracking with one-click start and stop timers available on desktop, mobile, and browser platforms. Employees can also log hours manually if needed. This provides accurate time data for payroll and client billing, reducing human error and improving transparency. Another key feature is the real-time activity monitoring. Managers can view activity levels based on keyboard and mouse usage and enable optional randomized screenshots to verify work without being invasive. This enhances accountability, especially for remote workers, and helps identify productivity trends and potential distractions. Another key feature is the GPS tracking and geofencing. Ideal for field teams and mobile workers, Hubstaff uses GPS tracking to log time based on location, and geofencing can automatically clock workers in and out when entering specific job sites. This ensures accurate time logs for field teams and reduces the need for manual check-ins. Another key feature is the integrated project and task time tracking. Employees can track time by specific tasks and projects with direct integrations to tools like Jira, Asana, Trello, ClickUp, and more. This links time data directly to project goals, making it easier to monitor progress and prioritize workloads. Another key feature is the automated timesheets and payroll. Hubstaff compiles time logs into detailed timesheets and automates payroll processing with integrations to payment platforms like Wise, PayPal, Gusto, and Bitwage. This saves time on administrative tasks and ensures team members are paid accurately and consistently. Another key feature is the visual productivity reports and analytics. Users can access dashboards with productivity data, project timelines, and weekly time breakdowns by user, client, or task. This enables data-driven decisions and provides insights into team efficiency, allowing for timely adjustments to improve outcomes. Another key feature is the invoicing, budgeting, and client management. Hubstaff helps you create invoices based on tracked hours, assign budgets to projects, and receive notifications when thresholds are reached. This keeps finances under control, improves client transparency, and ensures project profitability. So, why is Hubstaff a great choice? Hubstaff is built with the realities of modern work in mind. It offers flexible tools that allow businesses to find the right balance between oversight and trust. For remote first companies, Hubstaff reduces the ambiguity around work hours and productivity, which is especially important when managing asynchronous teams across time zones. Field based businesses also benefit from accurate GPS based tracking and mobile time logging, improving job site accountability. The platform is also scalable, so whether you're a solo freelancer or running a company with hundreds of employees, Hubstaff adjusts to your needs with customizable settings, role based access, and a wide range of integrations. You don't need to overhaul your existing workflows. Hubstaff works alongside the tools your team already uses, from project management platforms to payroll systems. Additionally, its intuitive design, clean reporting dashboards, and automation features mean that even non technical users can get started quickly. The ability to manage time, pay employees, track activity, and monitor performance all from a single platform makes Hubstaff an essential tool for any productivity focused business in 2025. So basically, Hubstaff stands out as a leading solution for time tracking and productivity management. Its comprehensive features, from time tracking and activity monitoring to automated payroll and detailed reporting, make it an all in one platform for managing workforce operations with confidence and efficiency. So, whether you're managing a remote team, overseeing field employees, or simply looking to optimize your company's internal workflows, Hubstaff offers the flexibility and functionality to help you do it all. So, if you want to streamline operations, improve accountability, and make smarter decisions with your team's time and productivity, Hubstaff is a smart investment for 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.